the Miami Heat facing the Dallas Mavericks. We've got a chance now for our starting lineups. From point guard to center, this game should be a good one. And so off the tip, it's Miami. All right, so with any new player on a team, you look at his skill set, the stats, and the trends that drive a lot of the expectations for performance. But how much can one rely on that to tell them how a player will function on a new team?
Yeah, well, Blake, this is where I put on my scout and agent cap. I mean, you can look at numbers all you want, but ultimately, you need to see how he plays in person, and that's why we're here.
And not everything can be seen in just one game. Sometimes you need to play multiple games. Try various sets, various plays. Play with the lineups to see exactly where a new piece can fit. There's a lot to consider, really. Tonight's going to be fun.
Outside George. Back to Doncic. That's good, and so George picks up the assist.
You see how assured Doncic is. Even from this area, he knows he can get the job done.
And now just over a minute played here in the first. Adebayo. Nice pass, led him to the rack perfectly for the layup.
It's so hard to contain him. He gets it done however he has to do it.
Now here is Doncic. He's covered by Rozier. Down to 5 on the shot clock. For 3, Irving sinks the three-pointer.
What a confident shooter Irving is. Looks so calm and collected whenever he rises and fires.
Here's Butler. Again, a Heat score.
That's a clean look they gave him there, fellas, and he drains those.
Well, here's a great one for you guys. You've got a wing NP build, and you pair it with an all-NBA guard like Kyrie Irving. What talents would you need to make it work?
Well, playing with Kyrie, you have to understand how great of a finisher he is. Really one of the best in league history. So I would try to just find him when he's cutting the hoop and find different ways to get him going.
I'd add in, too, have a good jumper. Any wing must shoot, especially when you play with a guy like Kyrie. Force the guy guarding you to